Hi folks, today I am giving you one beautiful flower clip art. So you can use these clip arts to your Photoshop works and any other related graphic works. These are all PNG images, so you can use simply in your Photoshop works. Simply drag and drop your flower clip art to your Photoshop work like this. These all are PNG images, so you can easily use it for designing beautiful works. So many elements is there. You can use this. And I give this file download link in this video description. You can download from there. And this file is password protected, so please watch this video carefully. Forget this file password.
Hi, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon. You never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new videos, you will get a notification on your phone.